All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Wednesday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed as Bitcoin has just made a new all-time high. This is pretty dang crazy. Trump has won the election. Trump has pumped the Bitcoin. And here we are, guys, at a new all-time high. It's pretty crazy.
Well, folks, we won the election, but most importantly, we pumped the price to a new all-time high. Jason Casper and I made it happen, and we're going straight to 100K, baby. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe as Trump himself requests from you. If you like Trump, subscribe to the channel. If you hate Trump, subscribe to the channel. And we are long and strong from the setup given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord on Monday. Currently up right now, 9,000 plus. You know, we've already locked in a good old $6,000. So, you know, we're up 15K, baby, if I close the whole thing out right now. And let's see what's going to happen. Also in a long trade right here from the setup I took in the Casper Crew VIP New York Open live stream this morning. And I told everyone I was taking the trade, locking in a juicy take profit one here, potentially looking to break out of this triangle straight up to $100,000 Bitcoin. Just the measured move of the triangle. Maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but hey, come on, man, YouTubers, crypto YouTubers, what's our purpose in life? To exaggerate things and make things seem crazier than they really are. So make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, guys, because it is exciting times, hitting a new all-time high for the Bitcoin price. And as usual, if we get 1,000 likes from the first half hour, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT. Major shout out to Jay Carnelio in the chat, and shout out to I33 T-Much. I hate Trump, but I love Pump. Shout out to Corsal, a symmetrical triangle breakout at the moment. Shout out to Sanjay Girl, who says, well done, Americans, for sending the other lot packing. Shout out to One Pramazol, who says, Kamala 2050, Kek W. Shout out to Terry Darling, who says, Inspector Gadget in the house with the monocle on the face, with the plunger in the hand, baby, as we are pumping the Bitcoin to a new all-time high right now. This is absolutely crazy. Why the ad? I don't know. Talk to YouTube, my man, or get YouTube Premium. No ads, all right? What do you guys think? Us YouTube creators sit here and say, ooh, let's play an ad right now in the middle of my live stream? Heck no, we don't do that, man. It just is what it is. YouTube's trying to get their money, baby. It's Google. They own the dang world. Shout out to Fantastic Fun. Shout out to R Pink says 100K, baby. Shout out to Ruben Q in Exile. QA Worldwide Sting Operation Turn the Swamp into Q Unsticks God Wins. White Hat Trump Q in control. Sounds like myself with all those letters, like a trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies major back in college with the Q non-XD Trump X WZVB. Where we come one, there we go all. Trump Q, all this. Shout out to 4D. Shout out to Jordan Shirt to a left, who says anytime Bitcoin goes to all-time highs, it's about to be alt season, baby. Shout out to Smorl, who says woohoo. Shout out to Crypto Pumpin'. He did it. Trumper T Trump pump, baby. Shout out to Fantastic, who says bless your soul. May God bless your soul. May God bless everybody in Jesus' name. Jesus the Messiah. Shout out to Jean Lee, who says lo que ves es lo que tienes. And yo no hablo español, so yo no sé. Yo no sé. I said ani instead of yo because I mixed up my Spanish and my Hebrew. Shout out to Rag Capital. Shout out to Garrett. I can't believe people actually think Trump is a fascist. Shout out to Ravi, who says, let's go. Are we going to pump? Are we going to dump? Shout out to Splashfire Films. Shout out to OG Blockchain. Praise God, praise God, praise God. Shout out to Danny Marie 333. Shout out to FUD Expert. Shout out to Mr. Moon. Shout out to Mariella. Shout out to Victor. Shout out to Isaru JPL. Shout out to Juan Take, who says, Juiyu. All right, we're shouting out everybody in the chat because this is a time to relax, a time to celebrate, a time to let our guard down. Just kidding, guys. This is a time to come to the charts and do what we always do every single day, which is figure out what are the next major moves Bitcoin is likely to make. Now, we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin chart here on ByBit. This is absolutely a beautiful pump to the upside. Now, here's what we need to really keep our eyes on today. All right, the most important thing that I am keeping my eyes on today is absolutely going to be the previous all-time high for Bitcoin at 73,951. If the daily candle can close above 73,951, that is a strong candle close. However, if the candle does not close above this level in approximately 6 hours and 7 minutes and 4 seconds, well, that is known as a chickens drinking water pattern, or as some city folk call it, a swing failure pattern, where the price takes the liquidity from the all-time high and then comes back down inside the range, and it could give us a move to the downside. Now, how far is yet to be determined, because we haven't even seen a close below the level yet. A close above this level is strong, and then, in my opinion, our next target is going to be the $80,000 level. Why do I say $80,000? Well, what I like to do is I like to take my Fibonacci trend-based extension tool. We're going to go ahead and take it from the low that we made here back in September. We're going to make it to the previous all-time high, to the low we made in about August 5th, and you can see $80,000 is the 0.618 Fibonacci extension. That's going to be my next target. And then, of course, the 1-to-1 Fib extension just under $100,000. So when I jokingly talk about the breakout of this local triangle here to $100,000, it kind of is a joke, but also it kind of is serious, because the thing is, our Fib extensions are in fact pointing us up to these higher targets, like the $100,000 level from the Fib extension from August 2023 to the previous all-time high to August 2024, and the 1-to-1 Fib extension is going to take us right here to $100,000, right? Quite interesting stuff, right? Makes me excited. I don't know if it makes you guys excited, but here's something else we do need to consider, which is the fact that this right here does look like a pretty nice rounded bottom. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like a nice rounded bottom. If you see something like this forming on a lower time frame, you say to yourself, well, look at what's happened here. We formed a low, and then we made a higher high, we made a higher low, we made a higher high, we made a higher low, we made a higher high, especially if we close the daily candle above the previous level. And so you would expect now this thing to really break out. You'd expect that big pump on the breakout with the volume to back it up. Of course, it's yet to be seen if that happens yet. And here's one thing I would like to caution everybody on. Remember, typically when we get fundamental-based moves like this, like the Bitcoin move that we're getting right now on the Bitcoin, moving the Bitcoin to the new all-time high based on the election, you know, a lot of times it does turn into a sell the news kind of event. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but more times than not, that is what happens, right? Now, shout out to the Casper crew once again, because we gave this trade setup in advance in the Casper crew VIP Discord. This trade setup gave this morning in the Casper crew VIP Discord, and gave the setup and the TP one, all right? So Casper crew, absolutely crushing it. Shout out to Donald Trump for winning the election, and shout out to Donald Trump for helping us pump. Me and Donald Trump worked together to pump Bitcoin to a new all-time high.
Well, folks, we won the election, but most importantly, we pumped the price to a new all-time high. Jason, Casper, and I made it happen, and we're going straight to 100K, baby. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And a major shout out to Alex Sasha for the super chat. Yeah, we can look at H-bar in a little bit, but we got to talk about this Bitcoin price action first, because this is pretty dang crucial right now. All right, now let's talk about what would happen if we close the candle above 73,950. That is bullish, and I'd say we can get a move up to probably the $80,000 level. If we close the candle below the level, then what do we need to be aware of? Well, it's very simple. We just take the volume of all this massive range that we've been trading all the way back to February 2024, and we notice the very important zone of support is the $70,000 level. We go ahead, we take our Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, and you can see the Fibonacci golden pocket zone is coming in literally right there at that $70,000 level. And so $70,000 is going to be our first major zone of support. In fact, we could very well see a little pullback here just to come back for the retest into this major support resistance flip before the next big move to the upside. This is one possibility if we're going to close the candle below that level. Now, here's where things get hairy and could get a little bit more bearish in the short term. If we lose 67.5, then we are changing market structure on the daily time frame, right? Not a good sign if we lose 67.5, because now we're back below the POC of the range, and we could get a more significant move back down toward the low of the range. If we go ahead and we take our fib from low to high, well, we can see the golden pocket lines up really nice. The macro golden pocket lines up perfectly with the value area low of the range. So we've been ranging for a very, very long time, and we've been expecting a breakout or a breakdown. And we've been expecting also a breakout or a breakdown will have significant follow through. Because when you're ranging for so long as we have been like this, for about 250 days, right? That's like a pretty long time. That's That's like 2/3 of a year, basically, right? I mean, I can't do math. I can't do anything, right? I didn't even graduate from high school. And even if I had graduated from high school, I wasn't very smart. I was the last in my class. I was in first grade for 12 years. But here's the thing. What were we talking about? When we're in a range for that long, you expect follow through. But when you have a news event like this, all right, where you get a big pump up real quick, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if you come back down for a retest. I want to zoom into the 1 hour time frame. I'm not here to spread FUD. I'm not here to be scary, okay? But if I was a trader, and I am, I wouldn't be long in this unless I had a really ninja entry like this one that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord this morning, right? Unless you have an entry like this one, that we had a very specific entry with a good risk to reward ratio, we knew what we were doing, we knew we were taking profits. Be careful if you're just leverage longing because of the pump, because of the Trump. All right, be careful. You don't want to get sprayed with Agent Orange. Yeah, he pumped the price up, but you got to be careful. Some powerful chemicals in Trump. All right, he could spray you in the face, and you could end up with permanent damage to your body by longing the top. Now, I want to point out something else very interesting. We came up quite a lot here in just a few hours, like literally actually in like 3 hours. The price pumped up about 9%. Now, what happens when you get a fast move up? It means you can get an equally fast move down, all right? Now, so far, there's no sign of fast move down. Again, remember, we're talking about a scenario if we are losing the previous all-time high. If the price is trading below 73,950, that's where we start to entertain lower prices. Until the price loses 73,950, we don't even care about lower prices. That should not be on our radar yet, because as a trader, we need to stay focused on what's right in front of us. We don't need to worry about situations in the moment unless we see something change. And right now for me, the change that I would be looking for is a loss of 73,951 on ByBit USD inverse perpetual pair. All right. Now, by the way, shout out to BLOFIN. BLOFIN, if you want to trade on BLOFIN without KYC, they are currently offering up to 10% cash back, up to $1,000 future bonus, plus a chance to win all these amazing prizes. It's actually pretty amazing when you think about it. BLOFIN, and also good old, what's the exchange? Good old MEXC, guys. MEXC is also an exchange I'm trading on where you can trade on spot with 0 fees. So basically, y'all, 0 fees on MEXC. Where are we at? Here we are. 0 fees on MEXC for trading spot. You can go in and out of Bitcoin and Ethereum basically without any fee. So it's really cool. Plus, for derivatives futures, 0% limit order plus 0.01% take order fee. So it's a really, really, really good deal. Also, guys, right now, Antarctic Exchange is doing their TestNet. All right, make sure to check it out. This is going to change the name of the game. The Antarctic Exchange is a decentralized exchange without market makers using deep liquidity pools where everybody who trades on the exchange is a partial owner of the exchange. If you sign up for the TestNet, which doesn't involve real money, you get rewarded with the exchange token. The exchange token is very valuable. When you trade on this exchange, you will get paid portion of the fees from everybody else who trades. So if you trade on this exchange, you are a partial owner of this exchange. Now, this is not some kind of crazy rug pull, pump and dump, because the exchange token, only 8% of it is going to be held by the owners of the exchange. The other 92% is going to be held by the users of the exchange. And as the exchange grows, the value of the token will grow. And as more people trade on the exchange, the more token you will get just by participating in the exchange. And right now, this is going to change the name of the game. Don't ever have to worry about KYC. You do not have to worry about another person holding your funds because it's all self-custody. You connect a hot or cold wallet to the exchange. Very, 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 very low gas fees and very, very low trading fees for the Casper crew. This is going to literally be the lowest exchange fees if you sign up under the Casper crew to participate in the beta testing, and there is a link in the description of the video right now. It's going to be a huge, major game changer, massive, huge, major breakout, 100K, ICT, fair value gap, smart money. I'm using all the keywords that traders like to hear. Shout out to my man Highly Trained, who says, appreciate you very much, brother. Stay blessed. Well, praise God, praise Jesus. I am so thankful to the Lord for his amazing goodness, mercy, abundance, his love toward me, his favor toward me. It's absolutely overwhelming. So praise Jesus for that. All right. Now, back to the Bitcoin price. As you can see, 73,950, very important, and then 70K is going to be very, very important, where we have the local golden pocket confluence with the backtest of the value area high. All right, we start to lose that, then we play it by ear. Now, I also want to point out something on the TPO chart. All right, on the TPO chart, we left behind very many single prints. Single prints on the way up. What are single prints, you ask? Well, if you don't know, it doesn't really matter. Just know this. Once the price enters into the single prints, it acts as quicksand. It acts as quicksand, and we get a very, very fast, aggressive move all the way back down to fill the single prints. Guess where we fill the single prints? That's right around $70,000. So if we're going to get a back test, that $70,000 level, guys, very, very important level that must hold if we want to see this continue. Because again, if we're not going to bounce from that level, then we're going to start to change market structure on the daily time frame, which could actually bring us back down toward this level. Now, I want to zoom out here, okay? I'm preparing myself mentally and physically by walking on this treadmill for a pullback. I want you guys to just understand the fact that if we do get a pullback, that's not necessarily the most bearish looking thing in the world, right? We're simply still forming a nice rounded bottom. If we go to the weekly time frame, that's actually a very juicy looking inverted head and shoulder, right? If we do get a pullback to the golden pocket, that is a really, really nice looking inverted head and shoulders pattern, all right? I'm just saying it. So if we start to get a dump, it's not necessarily the worst thing in the world, right? Everybody and their mom has been looking to take this liquidity and get a fake out. Is it guaranteed to happen? No. We don't even worry about it happening until we lose 73,950. All right. So that could happen. One more thing that could happen here is this. Right. Let's go ahead. Let's take a fib from low to high. Let's go ahead. Let's put on our 382. All right. Our 382 fib is coming in right around 65.5. Why do I say this? Because there's also the possibility right now of a cup and handale forming. Right? A cup and handle. We got ourselves a cup, potential cup right here. And then we make a handle coming down to the 382. And then bam, we break out. And our target, if this is going to turn into a cup and handle, is going to be around over $100,000, around $108,000. So that's pretty crazy, right? That is pretty nice. So for that, we're looking for the 382 backtest around 65.5. For a more introverted head and shoulder, we would look for a backtest at around 58-ish, 59-ish. And of course, if we don't lose 73,950, then we would look for another high to be put in. And my next target for this is going to be around the $80,000 level. Now we're going to zoom into the 12-minute time frame, my favorite time frame, because we do have ourselves a local range forming right here. All right, this right now is our local range. And so what that means is that we need to be aware of simply staying in this range for a few more days. When we come to these highs, we need to be looking for bearish divergences for a potential fake out. When we come down to this low, we need to be looking for bullish divergences for a potential fake out and staying in this range for a little bit longer before a big breakout or even before a big breakdown, right? One of the pitfalls that we oftentimes fall into when things get excited, when Trump's winning elections, when the Bitcoin price is pumping, when we're at new all-time highs after a massive move, is we expect another massive move to happen right away. But the truth is, guys, most of the time, the massive moves don't happen right away. I mean, look, throughout the entirety of this Bitcoin price action, the massive moves, when do they happen? I mean, they happen sometimes, but most of the time, we're in a sideways range. Most of the time, we're just in that range, right? We're just in that range. We're just in that range for a long time, longer than people want. We get the big move, everyone gets excited. When's the next move? When's the next move? When's the next move? Doesn't happen for a few days, maybe even a week. Sometimes longer, right? So just be patient and wait for some kind of a setup with the catch-up, the setup with the catch-up. Now, right now in this moment, we are coming up to the value area high of this range, confluence with the Fibonacci 786 right here. So if we can break above this resistance, guys, if we can break above this level right here, we are probably going to go for that high right now. Oh man, I am so dang excited right now. All right, let's see what we got here, baby. We're breaking out the dang triangle. We got our next take profit at 75.5. I'm shooting for that high, baby, from the setup we gave this morning in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Also, this trade given on Monday in advance in the Casper Crew. You can check it out at jasoncaspertrading.com. All right, these messages have been brought to you by Jay Shillington. Jay Shillington, the #1 YouTube crypto shiller, shilling his dang trading group on YouTube. All right, make sure to check it out. So here we are. We're coming up to our level. All right, we just hit into, not quite actually, not quite. Didn't quite take that high yet. Not on ByBit. Did we take that high on ByBit? Let's see, what do we do here on ByBit? This is some slow action, baby. Did we take that high? Did we take the high? Or did we double top it? Did we take it or double top that? Man, okay. Hang on. We double topped it to the dollar, man. We double topped it to the dollar. Oh my goodness, can you believe that we double topped it to the dollar? Oh my goodness, man. All right, so we need to break out this level. Let's check out the order flow and see what's happening over here. All right. We're going British right now. All right, Trump's won the election. Takes me back to the time when we were all Brits over here in America before the Revolutionary War. All right, so what's going on? So let's see. We had a little bit of bullish divergences down here at this low. It's the long trade we took this morning in the Casper crew, and then of course now we've got a decrease of open interest. So the traders are not really opening up positions. In fact, let's go ahead and turn out. Yep, longs taking profits, shorts getting wrecked. Nothing too much to talk about, but here we go. We're going for that high, baby. We're going for that high. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, you can do it, Bitcoin. Shout out to Scotty. He says JC is king. I assume you mean Jesus Christ is king. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for the analysis. All right. Man, this is nuts. Guys, we have 2,000 people in the chat. If in the next 2 minutes we get 1,000 likes, we'll be giving away $1,000. All right, we'll be giving away $1,000. Man, this is wild. This is wild. Here we go, baby. All right, we're taking that high. This is a good place to take profit if you're long. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Bitcoin's pumping, baby. We're pumping. Yeah. I can't even believe my eyes. We're going to new all-time highs. So euphoric. So euphoric. Not emotional at all. Not emotional at all, baby. This is pure analysis. No emotions here, baby. No emotions here. Gonna smoke me some opium. Oh yeah, baby. Don't you know that opium tastes good? Here we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. Bitcoin's breaking out right now. Bitcoin is breaking out. Can we get the likes, man? Look, if we hit a new high today, we're doing a giveaway. Well, if we can get 1,000 likes in the next 2 minutes, looks like we can. We're doing a giveaway. If we hit that all-time high today, man, we're doing a $1,500 giveaway. I'm in the mood to give away some money, baby, as Bitcoin is pumping to a new all-time high. I can't even believe it. I'm so excited. Here we go. We're at the 786. The Bitcoin's up to her old tricks. Oh my goodness, can you guys believe this? We're shooting up right to 75.5, baby. 75.5. Whew, man. Here we go. Can you enter here, Ultra Chad? Man, I would never enter here. If you're in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, you would have entered down here. Or this morning you would have entered here. But, like, I would not enter here, because if we lose 74.792, that could be a swing failure pattern. So let's put on good old Marcus Cipher B and see what's going on. Yeah.
Crystal made that hit,
yeah.
boy.
Yeah. I've been careful. Yeah. Oh boy. I've been careful. I've been careful long enough here, just saying. Bitcoin price, you know she don't be playing. Yeah. I've been careful. Yeah. Best be careful. Don't you know we could pump, but be careful. We can also dump like a scarecrow. Here we go. Bitcoin about to break out the triangle. Bitcoin about to pump and fly at all angles as we're coming back up to the all-time high. Blue candles only, big long, don't die, cause I went long right now 100x. About to see what the Bitcoin price does next, as we got another little 5-minute candle pumping. Bitcoin price, you know she don't be dumping. Bitcoin going up, only she ain't be slumping. Forget about the sideways, forget about the dumping, cause the trumping, talking about Donald Trump, he won the election, and now we pump. He came out the closet, looking mad orange, feeding the Bitcoin, all of that porridge and the carbohydrates. I'll give it to you straight, they go straight to the biceps to make the gains. talking about the crypto gains that we make in the Casper Crew VIP Discord every day, like the long trade we gave in advance. Over here you can see it, I'm starting to dance. Over here also on ByBit, now listen to me spit. We got another long from the crew this morning. Took the lows, now we about to take the highs. Don't you know Bitcoin going to 75.5K? Listen to me say, the Bitcoin price about to pump today, and the measured move from the triangle takes us back up to 100K. You might say, hey Jay, are you exaggerating? I say, maybe, but I ain't playing, cause don't you know the measured move of the fib extensions take us up back there ain't glib. It's not glib, going through the trib. Talk about the next time I'm getting on my skid, driving the truck with the pallet to the next big scallop, looking at the fit flip up and down with the bow, cause I don't even know what I'm saying. When the Bitcoin price pumping, you know she don't be playing. Candles only turning blue and they're never turning purple. Jay Casper, so delusional in circles, you know he's a nerd. They call him Steve Urkel. The Bitcoin price, it makes me have to burp, yo, and I say the line every single time, cause the Bitcoin price just gotta stay alive. Make sure to like the dang stream, subscribe to the channel if you know what I mean, and while you're at it, check out BLOFIN, best exchange you can get your trades in. Shout out to Andy from Bitcoin Census, you know he's the best, he does it menensis. 10% cash back if you use my link, $1,000 future bonus. Listen to me think, BLOFIN, such a good exchange when you're trading the range, cause you could long the bottom, short the top, and make all the change. Now we're coming back, you know she don't play. A little purple candle, but I'm not afraid, cause the stop loss is at the entry. We lock in the profits, now we're driving the Bentley. Over here, got another long. Listen to Jay Casper sing the big crypto song. Already locked in about $6,000 on the Bitcoin trade. Now let me hear ya holler. We're coming back down like a dog got a collar. All right, we're breaking out. We're holding above. This is the important level to hold right now. This is the important level to hold right now. All right, let's check it out. We gotta hold above this. Not that, this. We gotta hold above this, all right? Yeah, shout out to my man Jesse at the gym. Trading with his friends, now where do we begin? Benching with the slingshot, better take the trend. Hopefully after this you're in a Mercedes Benz, cause the crypto gains, they don't cause no pain. On the treadmill every day, just taking the trades. We're like, stream got cut, the stream got cut, but now we're back enough. I said the stream got cut, the stream got cut, but now we're back and I know it's not enough. Yeah, cause the stream just crashed. The Bitcoin price going back into the grass. If we lose the line, then we will drop fast, like the stream cutting out right into the glass. Got the glass window, Bitcoin price. Sit back and listen to J Flow, it's so nice, cause you know I'm rapping crypto. Roll the dice, taking all the gambles on the trades like we're in the lice. Lice in your head, better comb them out. The head and shoulder shampoo, you better get it out. Taking all shower for about half an hour. Got the hot water giving you a rash with the power that you get out. And better put the baby powder on your backside, because you know it gives you lots of to take the next trade to the all-time high. Bitcoin price, don't you know that she's about to fly? Yeah, we got the stream up in here, 2,000 people. Now listen to me dear, better hit the like, better subscribe to the channel. If it's cold outside, better put on a flannel. And don't you know, if the toilet's overflowing, gotta grab a plunger and listen to how we're going, because when you got this thing, you can plunge the price to the all-time high, then put it on some ice, take some soda and pour it into the cup. Bitcoin about to pump till you have not had enough of profit. Now listen to, uh-oh, we gotta reconnect on ByBit, the candles turning spit. Yeah, oh my goodness, what is going on with this dang stream, baby? What is going on with the dang stream? Can you believe that? They're trying to wreck me. It's the market maker. What's the market maker gonna do? Is he gonna wreck Jason Casper? Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. This is literally the most scary thing I've ever seen in my life. Literally the most scary thing I've ever seen in my life. The stream's cutting out in the middle of a freestyle. All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. Yeah. All right. Shout out to Crypto Incognito. Shout out to Ernest Scott Fritzens. Yes, Kamala's agents, guys. This is Kamala's agents right here. All right. But nah, we done did it, man. We done did it.
Well, folks, we won the election, but most importantly, we pumped the price to a new all-time high. Jason Casper and I made it happen, and we're going straight to 100K, baby. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, baby, straight to 100K. You heard it from the man himself. In fact, we're going to turn our blue candles orange just to show you who's in charge. All right? Sleepy Joe and his cronies are out of here, baby. Now we got the orange, man, and we're in the clear, baby. Bitcoin about to go to 100K. Maybe today, maybe next week, maybe tomorrow, maybe in May. I don't know. Oh, but we're pumping. We got the Trump candles on both the charts. Here we go. Next to our next take profit, man. This is nuts, baby. Can you believe this juicy pump? All right, so we don't even have 1,000 likes, do we? Let me check because the stream cut out here. Do we have 1,000 likes? 1,000 likes? Do we have 1,000 likes? It doesn't even say. It doesn't say here. That's weird. Let's see. We'll figure something out, guys. Don't worry. We'll figure something out. Make sure to like the stream. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. All right, so Ronald is here for the rap. TI rap by MC Casper. Shout out to Lunari. Guys, if I say we're doing a giveaway and you start spamming the chat right away, the mod might ban you, and then you will probably not get to participate, all right? So don't spam the chat until we officially start the giveaway, all right? Shout out to J-Boy Bullish, all right? Tried to put you in there, bro, all right? If you know what I'm saying. Shout out to Gene Lee, the Market Maker Reindeer Games. Shout out to Jason Ashmen, I'm sorry. Shout out to Crypto Awakened. Shout out to MCJC Color Man by the internet. All right, stream is working. All right, let's get into some super chats, guys. Oh crap. Okay, hang on 1 second. Let's get into the super chats. Here we go. First of all, a major shout out to Alex for the H-bar. Shout out to Highly Trained. Shout out to Scotty, and shout out to Juan, who says, I showed you Cetus. You opened the chart and said bullish divergences. I bought it, then 16 cents, and now it got listed on Binance. Thank you, brother. Well, God bless you, man. Look, I just took a look. I just read the chart. All right, but the Lord had favor on you. I can't take credit for it because I don't even know what Cetus is, and I don't even remember looking at Cetus. All right, so H-bar. We got to take a look at H-bar from my man. All right, so look, if we lose this level here, guys, if we can't reclaim 75, we might come down a bit lower, but so far looking pretty good. So let's take a look at H-bar for our man, HBAR, USDT on, we'll do MEXC. That's my go-to exchange here, MEXC. MEXC. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at H-bar on the weekly. That's what I like to start with. Man, this is so crazy. Because that's so interesting. That's so dang interesting, guys. So dang interesting. What the heck? Oh. All right, okay, let's take a look at H-bar on the weekly. So, honestly, the weekly right now has a very bullish divergence printing here. And I'm pretty sure the last time we looked at H-bar, we wanted to come down to the value area low of the range and take out the liquidity at the bottom of this channel. Well, that's exactly what we done did. We got a bull div on the weekly. We got a bull div on the daily. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie. It looks amazing. This looks absolutely amazing. This looks so dang bullish to me because when you have the money flow doing this and the momentum waves doing this, and we're about to confirm that big, we've already confirmed it, man. We're above the weekly VWAP. Obviously, this is resistance right here. This is the kind of trade I would actually front run like a sign of strength because the divergences are so strong. But there's two ways to look at it. I mean, numero uno, you know, any kind of pullback we get. This is not financial advice, but I'm just telling you like how I would trade this if I was actively trading H-bar. I would be looking for this. Right, I would be looking for this, move back up to the value area high of the range. That's a really good risk to reward ratio right there. All right, the only other way I could possibly get in besides right now on the confirmation that daily green dot is wait for a move, I guess like some kind of sign of strength here like this, and then wait for a pump back up to this first resistance, wait for a retest back down to like the Fibonacci golden pocket 786 zone, which we would have right here. This would be basically a way to get in the same exact entry, but now have like a better risk to reward, so you could potentially get in with a better position size, because if you wait for a move up and then a move back down to get the introverted head and shoulders pattern, you know, those introverts in high school, all of a sudden they break out and everyone wants to long the top. You know, if that happens, then we get the same entry as we could have right now, but we might be able to get a better stop loss, which means it's 11-to-1 risk reward instead of a 4-to-1 risk reward, right? So we're risking 1 in this case to make 5, but if we wait for something like that, then we could risk 1 to make like 10. So in this second instance here, it's a better setup, but we're not necessarily guaranteed it, right? Right now, I'd say, man, you know, it looks pretty dang good for a 5-to-1 risk reward. Very bullish divergence. We got weekly divs, we got daily divs. Let's check out the 4-hour. 4-hour divs, yeah. Money flow increasing on the 4. Let's check out the 1. Man, we even got a local CDW, did we? Yeah, I mean, oh, man. Oh, baby. I love the way that this looks. All right, so shout out to H-Bar. Thank you so much for the super chat, by the way, because I never even would have looked at. We're getting a little purple candle. Holy crap, folks. Looks like Kamala and her cronies are trying to start some trouble.
Holy crap, folks, we're dumping, and it's going to be huge. We got a massive red candle on the chart. Kamala Harris and her cronies are at it again. This is what communism will do, folks. We need to get together and make Jason Casper great again. Let me see a blue candle.
All right. Okay, so look. We're trying to hold. Trump said, let me see a blue candle. We're starting to get a little bit of a yellow here. Let's take a look at the order flow. We're going to go to that 5-minute time frame and see what's going on. Just a decrease of OI. And remember, New York was just on lunch, so this move to the upside has happened on a decrease of OI. It's really not the strongest looking move in the world here. And what looks like, you know, bearish CBD here did happen on a decrease of OI, so I'm not really concerned about that. Yeah, I'm not really concerned about that. Yeah, I think we just got to wait it out right now, guys. We just got to wait it out and see what she wants to do. And, yeah, in the meantime, like I said, if Bitcoin hits 75.5, we're going to give away $1,500 today. All right? Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. He just got a slingshot ad. That's what's up. HFG says this comment. And my comment to HFG is, if we do keep doing that, it kind of shows that my perspective on American politics is kind of right. Where no matter who's in control, the same things just keep happening. All right? Now, shout out to, I shouldn't have said that anyway. Shout out to Farman, who says, love from Pakistan. Shout out to Digital Content, 77K today. Would love that. All right? You know what? I think we need a little bit of a pump song up in here. All right? I think we need a little bit of a pump song up in here to pump the Bitcoin price a little bit higher. All right, I think we need a little bit of a pump song. This is the pump song guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time. All right, every single time guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price. Sometimes it has a delayed effect, but I think right now we're going to see that this could be a very powerful song as we are getting the pump, baby. Here we go, straight to our target. We gonna pump? No, we're gonna trump, baby. We already trumped. Shout out to my man who had 2 plates on the bench. Congratulations, my man. Here we go. We're about to pump the Bitcoin to a new all-time high. Here we go. Grab your plungers, baby. Let's pump. Grab your Pikachu hats. Yeah. Here we go. We're about to hit our take profit. We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna trump! Let's do it! We're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna trump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna trump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna trump! Trump the Bitcoin! Baby, let's go! We're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna trump! We're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna trump! We're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna trump! Trump the Alright, here we go, baby. Let's pump. We got the orange candles pumping up. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. To the take profit.
We're gonna drop, no we're gonna drop. We're gonna drop, no we're gonna drop. We're gonna drop, no we're gonna drop. Drop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna drop, no we're gonna drop. We're gonna drop, yeah we're gonna drop. We're gonna drop, yeah we're gonna drop. Drop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go.
Alright, here we are. Down to the wire. We've got an orange candle on the chart, and I say that's not even orange enough. We better go to the settings and make the body of the candle even more Trumpy. Oh yeah, baby. That's the nice deep dark orange that I'm talking about. The kind that makes me feel super patriotic. Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss! Yeah, baby. Here we go. We're gonna turn all the candles orange for this last big Trump to the upside. Here we go. Oh yeah, baby. Shout out to Trump.
We're gonna drop, no we're gonna drop. We're gonna drop, no we're gonna drop. We're gonna drop, no we're gonna drop. Drop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna drop, yeah we're gonna drop. We're gonna drop, yeah we're gonna drop. We're gonna drop, yeah we're gonna drop. Drop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're trumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're trumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're trumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're trumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna Trump. Yeah, we're gonna dump. No, we're gonna Donald Trump.
Yeah, baby. Shout out to Donald Trump. Man, the Bitcoin price about to pump as high as Baron Trump. 6'9", baby, all the way up to 100K. All the way up to 100K. Come on, baby. You can do it. It's a slow grind, but we got this. It's a slow grind, but we got this. All right. Here we go. Here we go. We're about to hit the take profit. I can feel it in my bones, baby. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Shout out to our super chat from Yo Nito, who says, "Let's go, bro." Shout out to you. God bless you, man. Or woman. I don't know. I'm not trying to assume the gender. But now that Trump's in, we can do whatever we want. Yeah. Shout out to my man, Yo Juanito. He says, LFG, bro. Now we go to the all-time high. Now don't you know? Because we got Trump and not Kamalo. That's right, I said Kamalo, not Kamala. If you think we're about to pump, then let me hear you holla. The triangle is breaking out, and then we hit the collar of the shirt to the neck bone before we get the trauma of the dump. Bears are so wrecked because of the pump. And what happens next is Donald Trump about to hit the new all-time high. Got the orange candles pumping straight into my eyes. We had the candles purple, now they're only turning orange. I'm so dang hungry, I gotta eat some porridge. I look through the door, here comes my friend George. You wanna hit biceps? We could do it some more. Yeah, we hit biceps, then we hit the chest. The delts and the traps like Bitcoin does best. She's about to pump up to the next big chest, where we hit the upper chest on the nice bench press to the incline. Bitcoin looking so fine. Hey girl, I wanna take you home and make you mine, and we could get married, have a real nice life. Bitcoin pumping, don't catch the pumping knife. Hopefully the bears get scared. They're so embarrassed in their underwear in front of a huge crowd of 1 million people. Up real high like a church with a steeple, then we come down, we got the plunger in the hand. We're driving Maseratis from sand to sand, on the east coast, west coast, all across the land. Don't you know it's how we do it when we're looking, man, that's how we like to trade. We're walking on the treadmill just to get paid. A Pikachu hat in the garden with a spade, digging like that cause we're trying to make trades. We put it down, we get our pirate hat, Our mateys, we're pumping the price about that. We get the monocle and we put it on our eye. My goodness, the Bitcoin price is about to fly as we've got an orange candle as New York comes back from lunch. The Bitcoin price is pumping and I do want to some lunch on some pizza. That's what they eat in New York. Jason Casper, what a nerd, you are such a dork. We're struggling to get a little higher. The Bitcoin price, she's about to light on fire. Orange and yellow are the color of the fire, if you know what I mean, cause I'm playing guitar on a Squire, not a Fender, cause if we dump you know I'm too poor. The Bitcoin price might go into the floor, but hopefully we pump back up a little more. 75.5 Bitcoin slamming through the door. Doors and windows on the house. Bitcoin pouncing like a really nice couch. Then we see a mouse on the floor. Don't be a slouch, better get back for some more, like we're looking out. Looking out for what happens next. The Bitcoin price back to her old tracks. 7A6 and 6 Juanita. Hopefully after this we eat some pizza. You know I love tomato sauce, bread and cheese. We're looking for a pump, baby, please, Bitcoin, please. I don't wanna be humbled down to my knees. I wanna hit the take profit, then go eat some trees, please. Yeah, the candle's orange and they're orange. They're not purple, they're only orange and they're orange. They're not purple because I'm eating all the porridge with the carbohydrates. Swinging on the door, here's who we got in the chat. Let's check it out. About 2,000 people, a pig with a snout. Oh man, okay. I think we might get that pump today. Man, is this treadmill getting faster, guys? Or is it just me? Treadmill fast? Is it hot in here? Guys, is it hot in here or is it just me? Is it hot in here, guys? Or is it just me? Is it hot in here? Just let me know. Alright, I think we could hit the take profit. Yeah. Hot in here, or is it just me? It's hot in here, or is it just me? I said, it's hot in here, or is it just me? Bitcoin, please, please, better hate the TP. It's hot in here, or is it just me? Is it hot in here, or is it just me? Bitcoin, baby, please, we want the cheese. We want you to pump up to our next TP. Yeah, another day, another trade. Another garden digging and you know another spade. We're coming to the treadmill like every single day. We're coming to the charts cause we're trying to get paid. The Bitcoin price, baby, you know she don't play. She does it the same like every other day. She tries it new, you say baby do it the old way. Every day we're looking like we're eating from a tray. The Bitcoin coming out and she's not looking gay. Straight up hetero cause that's how she play. You know she's coming down, then you know she's going up. Then you know she's going sideways looking for the snuff. Hopefully if you're a bear you're about to get wrecked. Don't you know what the Bitcoin price about to do next? She's about to pump it up straight to the neck, to the chin where she's looking for it nice like Beck. Talking about Beck, my friend I had back in school. He said, Jason Casper, don't be a fool, you better go to college, better get some knowledge. Looking outside like a nice big holler at ya. Holla back, holla forward, holla left, holla right. I'm going nowhere because you know when we're rapping every day on the treadmill, taking all the trades cause we're trying to get paid. The candle's turning purple and the candle's turning blue. Bitcoin about to show you just what she's about to do, because you know that it's really cool when you're going to school, when you're taking the test, looking at your friends. Don't be a fool. Take a look over at the order flow chart. The blue and purple candles like a beautiful work of art. We got the OI coming up to the sky, CVD pointing up like she's about to fly. But don't you know that the longs are closing out? The shorts are too. Now let me hear you shout, yo Jay, you think we're gonna dump, we're gonna pump? I don't know, bro. Hopefully we're not in the slump. We come back to trade and view. What's she gonna do? The value area high, she's dropping like a fool. She's coming back down to the middle of the range. If you're long the top, hopefully you're not in pain. Hopefully you got a stop loss to prevent the change from coming out your wallet like she did every other day. Don't you know when you're long the top, then the price starts to reverse and gets a drop. We wanted to pump and then we change direction. Price starts to dump like an inverse erection, straight down. Turn an innie to an Audi, the Audi to an innie. Now you're driving an Audi. The Audi's like a car when you're going far, not a Maserati, but something kind of cool like a work of art. We got the line right here, 74.8. Bitcoin could enter right through the gate, cause you know this level is the back test. Bitcoin about to do what she does best. When you're in the gym hitting the incline press, just cause you wanna build the upper chest, cause you're sweating on the treadmill. Flex in the upper chest going uphill. like she wants to know what to do when you're training the delts in the gym. The googly eyes on your face looking for a spin. Blech. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. Look, we're coming back down for the back test. All right. This is the back test. We're actually back testing it to the dang dollar. Let's go to ByBit. This white line, remember, we don't want to lose the white line. We're going to turn our candles back to purple right now, okay? Here we go. We're bouncing. We're bouncing again, baby. Me too, HFG. Shout out to Danny Marie 333. All right. Shout out to Bernie, who's shouting out HFG. Shout out to HFG. Oh no, J-Boy Bush, man, you're embarrassing me, bro. I just yelled erection in front of two chicks. Look, here's the thing, bro. I said inverse erection, but it's hard to think of words that rhyme with direction. Introspection, reflection, erection. All right. I don't know if it's looking good. All right, look. We lose the white line, baby. I might have to open up a short. The short shorts. Yeah, the short shorts. Don't you know I wear the short shorts? Yeah, don't you know I wear the short shorts? Up to the top of the thigh, I got the short shorts. Don't you know Jake Casper wears the short? Yo, Jake Casper wears the short shorts. Up to the top of the thigh, up the short shorts. You ask why, Jay, do you always wear the short shorts? Don't you know you're looking gay and you'll get hurt? Let me explain. Hey, I'm not gay, I'm mad straight. The Bitcoin price bout to pump, just wait. But when you're on the treadmill, coming to the trades, if you wear the long pants, your thighs will chafe, then it hurts. You got a heat rash, you go downstairs and it's looking real bad. You show your wife, she looks and says, ugh. You better put some diaper rash cream on that all night. So you put the zinc oxide between your thighs. It looks real white and it burns your eyes. It stains the bed sheets, then what a surprise. The next day it turns yellow and it doesn't surprise you that here we go, we're getting another pump. A nice orange candle, then we start to dump. So I got some short shorts to present the rash. Now the Bitcoin price about to pump so fast. Yeah, I learned a hack in life. You gotta wear the short shorts for the sake of your wife, cause she hates when the diaper rash cream gets on her sheets, if you know what I mean. Cause she spent so much money on the dang linen sheets. You said, why did you buy those? They're same as the cotton ones, but she's a girl and you're a guy, and you guys don't see the same thing the same way. After all, you know that you're not gay. You're a straight man chilling out here. That's what we do, let me spit it in your ear. We don't care about curtains, we don't care about sheets, we don't care about pictures on the wall in the fleet, nah. As long as we got some food on the table, a toilet to poop in, as long as you're able to have a little room for your trade-in room, that's what we do. Now the price about to boom back up to the all-time high. Let me hear your Bitcoin, you know she about to fly. We got the orange candle pumping through the sky. The Bitcoin's gonna pump, she don't have to try, no. Yeah, here we go to the order flow. Let's take a look around now, don't you know? We're pumping back up the previous level. The Bitcoin's about to go up to the treble. Only treble, no bass. You're such a disgrace. Jason Casper looking like a man with a face out here. Hopefully you're not my dear. Hopefully we look around and then we got some ears up about $10,000 plus another 3 plus another 10 on the other exchange. You hear me? We're up some money today. That's how you do it when you're trying to get paid. Yeah. All right. You guys hear me? Y'all, you guys out there feel me, right? You know what I'm saying? All right. Yeah, you guys know what I'm saying. All right. Whew, man. We got a German haircut going on here. All right. Yeah, you guys out there know what I'm saying, right? Your wife's always trying to get all these nice things. I come downstairs, the room's a different color. The wall's different color. And I can't remember what color it was before. Something's different in here. Yeah, I painted. Do you like it? Oh, you did? Huh. What color was it before? You know, I don't know. Don't care either. I'm hoping we're going to hit our take profit today, guys. I'm really hoping we're going to hit our TP today, y'all. When we hit that TP, man, we're going to be doing a giveaway, all right? I hope so. I hope so. Let's give it a little time. Are you too late for the giveaway? Nah, you're not too late for the giveaway. All right? You're not too late for the giveaway. All right. All right. Who else we got in chat, man? Shout out to Oma Prazol. Shout out to Kai Dragon. Shout out to Cody. Shout out to Seb Traveler. Shout out to Justin Barker. Shout out to Brandon Brown. Come on, Bitcoin. Jay needs money for ice cream. Man, I haven't eaten ice cream in a long time, guys. And hopefully I don't eat ice cream in a long time. For a long time. Hopefully I don't eat ice cream for a long time. All right, I've been really exercising my self-control. Not eating ice cream. All right. Yeah, Fed rate decision tomorrow. Shout out to Dome Life. All right, tomorrow is going to be a crazy day. Let's check out forexfactory.com. forexfactory.com. Tomorrow. I know you guys can't see it. Give me a second here. Thursday, November 7th at 2 p.m. Eastern New York City time. All right. 2 p.m. Eastern New York City time. The FOMC funds rate and decision. All right. This is going to be, oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stream tomorrow, guys. I'm going to be out of state visiting my 97-year-old grandfather. But this could be the big trade tomorrow. Like either the big long or the big short. Honestly, this could be the catalyst that gives us the big long or the big short. The federal funds rate. People are expecting a 25 basis point drop. If it's 50 plus a Trump election, that could pump us like crazy, man. But also it could initiate a very large sell the news type event for a drop back down to some of the levels we were looking at before. Now, Bitcoin's just playing with my heart right now. Bitcoin's legit just playing with my heart right now. Now that they lost, do you think they'll crash the economy, says the Jeep Crypt? It's a possibility. That's my wife's theory. That now that the orange man's in the White House, that now they're gonna crash it and blame it on him. That is a theory. There's a lot of different theories. You know, look, here's the thing. It's just like trading. You gotta have a whole bunch of plans, and then whichever one happens, you gotta trade it with a tight stop loss. All right, what's gonna happen? It really depends. It really depends. But just like trading, you gotta make sure that you have a plan. This guy has a plan. All right, a little pee in the pants. Confidence. Maximum absorbency, 26 count XL, depends, baby. And I myself am a man of depends. All right? I don't just talk the talk, I walk the walk. Here we go, baby. Look at that. Love me some depends. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Shout out to Aloha State 78. Your brother loves me. Well, tell your brother God bless. God bless. God bless. Yeah, 97. God bless him. Honestly, yeah, God bless him, man. He really is part of that great generation, man. He came here when he was 22. He came to America, didn't know English, didn't have a high school diploma, worked in the day, went to high school at night, worked in the day, went to college at night, worked his way up in the company to become like the second in command guy who's like in charge of a whole bunch of important stuff, became a very wealthy man, and just sold his house. He bought it for $14,000 in 1955, and he sold it for over $400,000 because, you know, the devaluation of the dollar. Isn't that crazy? And bought the house for 14 grand and sold it for over 400 grand. He just sold it last year because he hurt himself, and so now he has to use a walker. But until he was in that walker, he was still outside gardening, 95 years old, outside planting a garden, all right? Investing in stocks. My grandpa's a real boss, all right? Sheesh, what a cool guy. Plus, he's the most generous guy. He'd give you the shirt off his back if he knew you needed it, all right? He's an old school Democrat, my grandfather. Old school Democrat. You know, the RFK type. All right. Is he the one who speaks Spanish and I made fun of? Yeah, that's the one. I don't think I made fun of him. I was probably being honest. About what? When I mispronounced Spanish on purpose to make him upset? Yep, that's the one. Did he buy Bitcoin? He did, okay? He bought Bitcoin and Ethereum back in like 2018. He bought the top in 2018. So yeah, he got in at the top. He was very, you know, very standoffish to it, right? But finally we convinced him at the all-time high. But hey, he's in profit now, baby. He bought Bitcoin at what, 20K? So look, he's in profit now. I think he's still hodling. I don't even know if he even thinks about his Bitcoin right now. I don't even know if he even thinks about his Bitcoin. Where did he come from? He came from Cuba. He came from Cuba. He came from Cuba. He came here so he could learn English and go back to Cuba and teach English. But he met a woman. You know, he met a woman, my grandmother. And then he stayed here, you know, those women. They will change your life. They will change your life. Shout out to Divine Hood. Shout out to my grandpa. Shout out to Sudeep. Alright, here we go. I think we can get a little pump. Shout out to Trader with a Bun. Is this Gareth Salloway in the house? Yeah, I love my grandpa. I love him. You know, he's got that real life wisdom, which is hard to follow. He has a lot of wisdom. You know, everything in moderation. That's his life advice. Work hard, live a clean life, everything in moderation. But I do everything in extremes, all right? I do everything in extremes, so it's really hard for me to be moderate on things. Shout out to Chris. Did I get your mail? I didn't, bro. I haven't checked that mail, but you know, I could check it right now and see what you sent me. I got a few mails here. I guess your name's probably not Chris de Los Angeles on your email. I'll check it. I'll check it after the stream. All right. I'll check it after the stream. Come on, Bitcoin. Yeah, because of them, I'm here, man. You know, my two grandfathers were both they were both legit. So my other grandfather, he fought in World War II. He lied about his age when he was 17 to go fight the war. Man, that takes some dang balls. Talk about the 17-year-old these days, right? He lied about his age just to go defend his country. You know, it's the hard attitude behind that I really admire. And then, dude got sick in the war. He lost a lung. All right, he almost died. Then he comes back, becomes an entrepreneur, starts his own business, supports his family, supports his kids. All that kind of stuff, you know. He passed away before I was born because he had one lung. He was a chain smoker, and he what he did was he did furniture. He upholstery. So he was breathing in lots of dust. He ended up with COPD. But yeah, another boss, man. So hopefully I can live up to either one of these guys, but probably not. I'm not that my generation. I don't know if I have it in me. You know? At least I'm a good treadmill walker. At least I'm a good treadmill walker. All right, shout out to my man. He says, bro, screw your 70K. It's going to 83. It's been months being at 60 and 70. All right, cool. I'll take it, bro. I'll take it, man. Look, there's just scenarios that we got to be prepared for. Because if we dump down to 70, if you're not prepared, what are you going to do? But if you're prepared, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit that buy button. Here we go, baby. Pumping it up, pumping it up. Bitcoin 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 pumping it up. Here we go. We're pumping it up, pumping it up. Bitcoin pumping it up, pumping it up. Bitcoin pumping it up like we're Donald Trump. Bitcoin pumping it up like we're Donald Trump. Yeah. All right. Oh, shout out to Virtuose. I'm sorry to hear about your dad, man. Sorry to hear about that. That's tough. That's tough. All right, we're pumping it up, pumping it up. All right, someone says check out Linkcoin. All right, we'll check out Linkcoin. But First of all, we got some super chats, all right? So shout out to Alex, Sasha, Jason, bless you for not forgetting me. Pump it up. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for your super chat. Am I shorting 75.5? If I see a bearish reaction, then yes. If I see a bearish reaction, yes. I'll be treating it like a scalp. But yeah, if I see a bearish reaction, yes. Shout out to Brandon Brown. Depends on how you look into the future. Thank you so much for your super chat, Brandon Brown. I appreciate you, man. I'm sorry. I don't quite remember the context of your comment, but I really appreciate the super chat. Thank you so much. And guys, I really have to pee, all right? I'll be right back. Watch the chart, watch the trade. Hopefully we don't start to dump. I'm looking to hit that take profit. All right, baby, here we go. We are pumping. Man, we are pumping. Sometimes you just gotta relieve the pressure in the bladder to get that pump. Here we go, baby. We are about to hit a new all-time high live. I knew I would get the all-time high live. All right. Praise God. Praise God. Praise God. Shout out to Brandon for the super chat. Depends was the context and the positive look on that guy's face. He was truly unfazed by politics. Yeah, man. I feel that. I feel that. All right. Thank you so much, Brandon Brown, for the super chat. Do I have a song to go pee? I have a song for everything. My daughter says that. She always asks why I have a song for everything. Does my Gramps rap like me? No, I don't think he knows what rap is. All right? I honestly don't think he knows what rap is. Did I wash my hand? I washed one hand, yes. My grandpa, man, he's stuck in the 40s. All right? He loves swing music. And like Cuban Latin music. That's all he listens to. You know? I'm into that stuff too, you know. Where's my TP? My TP is 75.5, Sunshine Girl. We're shooting for the new all-time high right now. Man, shout out to the Casper crew, alright? This trade right here, given this morning, I'm glad I took it. I almost didn't take it. I'm like, you know what? That looks pretty good. And then this trade as well, the Casper crew set up, given in advance on Monday. By the way, guys, if you want to trade, BLOFIN is offering 10% cash back. You deposit $100 and you get $10 back. You deposit $1,000, you get $100, and $1,000 future bonus plus a chance to win all these juicy prizes. My BLOFIN. Also, MEXC, 0% fees, 0% limit order fees, 0% spot fees. Both links in the description. And of course, Antarctic Exchange beta testing. Check that out in the description as well, guys. All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Can she do it? We'll have to take a poll in the chat. Can she do it? Can she do it? Most people say 80K. All right, that's going to be crazy. Can Bitcoin hit the all-time high right now? We're going to take a poll. All-time high now? ATH now? Question mark, exclamation point. Let's go. Shout out to Aaron G, who says check out jasoncapitaltrading.com. Thank you so much, Aaron G, for being so faithful as a moderator in the YouTube, man. I really appreciate you, bro. I really, really do. Guys, make sure to go follow Aaron G on Twitter. Trap Trader. Let's see if I can't pull him up here. Make sure to follow me on Twitter as well, at Jason_CAF_Spur. Let's see here. Trap. Here we go. Trap Trader. All right. He's got his affiliate link on BLOFIN right here if you want to support him on BLOFIN. And also, I'm going to put his handle in the chat. Make sure to go follow him because here's the thing, guys. He posts free analysis, free trade setups, and he's a really, really good trader, a really good analyst. All right. So if you want some good TA content, go follow him. We're about to hit our all-time high. I'm going to post this in the chat. All right. Trap Traders. Oh, I'm sorry. Chart Trappers. Chart Trappers. His YouTube handle. Just copy and paste it from the chat, all right? Here we go, baby. Here we go. Man, I can't wait to hit that all-time high. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's hit that take profit, baby. Let's hit that take profit. Come on. We have bear divs on the 24-min and lower. All right, well, let's go for that high, baby, because then maybe we get a short in, all right? Maybe we get a short in. How much will the course cost? Look, we're doing a free course in January, all right? A free course in January. Here we go, baby. About to hit the all-time high, and then once we do, we're going to do a $1,500 giveaway, all right? We hit that all-time high, we're about to do a $1,500 giveaway. All right, here we go, baby. We start to get a pullback from here. Let's see. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. To the take profit. Let's go. Let's go. What's TP? My TP is 75.5 on the dot. 75.5 on the dot. All right, we're looking just to take that liquidity, maybe get a bit of a pullback, continue to range here for a little bit. All right. Maybe get a bit of a pullback and continue to range here for a little bit. Come on, Bitcoin, come on! Let's check out Market Cipher B while we're waiting, guys. All right, MCB. Let's take a look-see at MCB and see what we can see. There is a chance we get a little bit of a pullback from here on the 12. There's a chance we get a little bit of a pullback here on the 24. There's a chance we get a little bit of a pullback from here even on the 6. All right, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens up here. All right, we're about to hit that TP, baby. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Yeah, the slow creep. That either means we dump or it means we break out and go crazy. Shout out to Carlos. Hey, I got a ladybug on my face. Shout out to Carlos. He says, thoughts on possible dare div on the daily? Yeah, bearish, man. Bearish, you know. Go back and watch the beginning of the stream. I went over all the bearish scenarios that I'm looking for. It's bearish, all right? But right now, as long as we can close a daily candle above 73,950, I'd say those bear days are not confirmed yet. All right, let's check out our 1 minute here. All right, we're getting that move. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what she wants to do. Come on, Bitcoin. Oof. I just want to hit the level. I just want to hit the level. I just want to hit the level. Man, we're getting a purple candle. Am I ready if WW3 happened? I mean, I'm as ready as I'm gonna be, yo. I mean, what else can I do? I'm a homesteader. Oh, come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. The dang purple candle. Look, I'm a homesteader. I grow my own food. I raise my own animals. I'm a trader. Like, what do you mean, am I ready? Like, if Bitcoin dumps, am I going to be all right? Yeah. I mean, yeah, I'll be all right. I'll be all right. I mean, but it depends, right? Nothing's secure. Nothing is secure. Money's not secure. Stocks aren't secure. Your property's not secure. There could be a fire, an earthquake, a hurricane, a tornado. Your health isn't secure. Your brain isn't secure. Your body's not secure. Bitcoin's not secure. Tether's not secure. The dollar's not secure. Gold isn't secure. Nothing's secure in this life. There's no safe place to run except to God, except to Jesus. He's the only true secure thing there is in this life. So if you're clinging to Him and you're putting Him first and you're hanging on to Him, then you're ready for everything because He is the owner of everything. He's sovereign over everything. And then you don't have to worry about anything because if you have Him, you have everything. He's the owner of everything. He's the ultimate authority. All authority belongs to Him. So in that sense, I'm ready. I'm ready for WW3. I'm ready for whatever has to come. But if the economy continues to be a thing, yeah, if Bitcoin goes to zero, I'll be all right. As long as the economy's still a thing. If the dollar's still here, if my house is still here, my property's still here, my health is still here, my brain is still here, I'll be all right. But those things are not secure. All right? Those things are not secure. There's no security in life unless it's found in Jesus. That's the truth. All right. Let's pump it up, baby. Let's hit the take profit. Let's hit the take profit. Come on. We've been waiting all day for this moment. You want me to TP now, investment time? I should. I've done this before. I've literally done this exact same thing before and missed it by a couple $100. We sang the pump song and everything. Then we started to dump. Is this greed? Is it greed or what, man? I want to hit my take profit. Let's go, baby. Let's check out the order flow. We got a few longs opening up here. Let's just get those longs to maybe get trapped at the top here. We've got some bearish CVD forming, which... is it really bearish CVD? Decrease of OI. It's so hard to say. Just a little bit more, Bitcoin. Just a little bit. Just a little bit more. Let's check out good old market Cipher B on the one. All right, we got a little bit of a green dot. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more. We're going to move our take profit down just a little bit more. Just to hit that double top to the dollar. Can you imagine a big purple? A big perp? Dirty perp coming on in? Big dirty perp. Man, me and big dirty perp. Oh, crap. The S&P's dropping, huh? Let's just hit a take profit first. Then we can short, all right? All right. Shout out to Aaron. He says, hey, dude. Hey, man. Shout out to Mukit. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, Bitcoin, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, Bitcoin, here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's go, come on, come on. Come on, don't do it now, Bitcoin, don't do it now. Bitcoin! Come on! Oh! Why must you do this to me, Bitcoin? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh! Come on, Bitcoin! Come on! Come on! Ah! Ah! Big dirty perp. Coming in hard. Alright, let's check out our one. Oh, man. Really? Really, Bitcoin? Ah! Ah! See how she's looking over here. All right. What do we got happening here? It's not looking the best, but we're so dang close. I mean, we're so dang close, man. All right. Ah, all right. Okay. All right. We'll try it. All right, there we go. The order got canceled. Let's see. Order canceled again. Dang, I'm flopping and groping. All right, there we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Just fill the dang order. Just fill the order. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Whoo. Oh, 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 oh. Man, this water's cold. Is it cold in here or is it me, guys? All right, there we go. We hit our take profit, baby. All right. Did we take the high even? Did we not even take the high? All right. Let's see what Bitcoin wants to do. Oh man, looks like she wants to dump a little bit. Man, this is some intense stuff, guys. Is this intense or what? All right. So, we didn't hit the all-time high yet, but we're about to. All right, we're $1 off. Let's zoom out. Let's go to our 4-hour chart here. Man, would you look at that? Did we hit it? This is USD. Okay, this is the actual ByBit chart here. No, we didn't do it, man. Can you believe that? Can you believe it? Can you believe that? Oh my goodness. Can you believe it? I mean, wow. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Come on, Bitcoin. One more big push. Let's see. We're going to try and hit a TP at 75.6 on this one. Let's see if we can't do that there. There we go. Just added a little bit to this long here. I'm gonna shoot for a breakout. I think we can break out, guys. I think we can break out. All right, let's see how she wants to go. Let's check out this. Yeah, I think we could pump. All right, let's do it, baby. Let's pump it up. $300 more. Come on, Bitcoin. There's our all-time high. We need to be live for the all-time high. How many steps do I rack up per day? Let me see how many steps I've gotten so far right now. 21,000. 21,000 steps. I get a lot of steps per day. I like it, man. Getting steps per day allows you to stay lean. Allows you to stay lean, if you know what I mean. Man, what in the world is going on with this Bitcoin price action? That's your weekly steps, yo? I mean, I like to walk because it's cardio, it keeps you in good shape, it keeps you lean. I mean, if you want to eat, 4,000 or 5,000 calories a day and still have abs, you just hit the treadmill. I mean, if you eat a whole food diet, it's hard to get fat. Like, honestly, last night I only ate one meal at night. It was dinner. I ate dinner at night. I ate like 2,900 calories in one meal, and it was just so much food. I was so full. I couldn't eat another bite if I wanted to. Just whole foods, and it gives you energy. Walking on the treadmill, helps you stay lean, helps you stay focused. Here we go, baby. Here we go. This is torture right now. This is come on, baby, come on, Bitcoin, come on. You lose fat when you're walking. I mean, maybe you could lose muscle while you're walking. Here's the thing: you gotta also lift some heavy weights if you want to stay muscular while you're walking. Gotta hit some heavy weights. What did I eat for dinner? You really want to know? I was on the road, so I packed my dinner with me. I had a salad with 3 bags of beef jerky, grass-fed beef jerky with no sugar. And I had a chicken breast on the salad as well. So that was my protein. I had a bowl of Greek yogurt, and mixed in with the Greek yogurt was quinoa. All right, cooked quinoa that was cold, mixed with the Greek yogurt, and I put a scoop of bone broth powder in the Greek yogurt with frozen blueberries. And then I had sprouted buckwheat flour and water mixed together to make a big old bread. And on top of that bread, I melted some raw goat cheese on the top of that bread. And I had a whole avocado. And I had some butter on the bread. That was my dinner. Oh, and I forgot, I had 4 apples. I also had 4 apples. 4 apples. Can't go wrong with those fruits. You know what I'm saying? That was all I ate yesterday. That's pretty much what I eat every day. Something like that. Something along those lines. Tonight, I'm going to have quinoa, sweet potatoes, beef from a local farm. Probably going to have some greens that I grew myself that are in the freezer. And maybe some ripe plantains baked. That'll be what I eat later on. All right, come on, Bitcoin, come on! No, I didn't make the goat cheese. I also got it from the local goat farm, where we get our raw goat milk. All right, shout out to Carlos. Shout out to Brandon Brown again. Any advice for pinched nerves in the cervical spine? You know, I don't know, man. Like, I go to a physical therapist. I meet him online through Zoom calls, and he's helped me a lot through issues I have. I have scoliosis, and like, I've had issues with sciatica even in my 20s, but he's helped me like work through that stuff, and now I feel great. So I'm not an expert. I just do what he says. All right, I just do what he says. But maybe look into a physical therapist, like a sports physical therapist who really knows how to like heal the body. He's the guy I go to is a firm believer that any issue you have can be improved. Maybe not completely cured, but improved upon just by doing the right exercises and stretches and strengthening the right muscles. Because if you have... Oh, here we go, baby! Here we go! Bitcoin pumping. We're getting the break. We're getting the break. Oh, man. Let's check out Market Cipher B real quick. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna open up a little short here, guys. I just opened up a short, all right? Not financial advice, but it's a small risk. We're at the top of the range. We got some bear divs locally here. Let's see what Bitcoin wants to do. All right. Now, the reason why I'm shorting here, guys, is because I'm in multiple longs and I'm literally risking $900 right now. I'm up 3 plus 10, so I'm up 13K. I'm risking 900. Plus, I'm in another long trade on MEXC up 12,000, right? So I'm up like 20 something K. I'm risking 900 in case this just gives us a drop down throughout the rest of the night. All right, let's see. There's nothing weak about this yet. There's really no reason to short this right now. Besides, we just took the high, and I'm a little bit cautious here. All right, this is gonna be my second short of the day. That will be a loss, right? So. I took one short today, ended up getting stopped out for a small loss. My short was this right here. Where did I short? I shorted right here. I didn't take a take profit. I could have. This is the Fibonacci Golden Pocket back test. I just let that thing get stopped out. And now I'm taking another short from here, and I will also let this get stopped out. If we get another poop, and if we get another poop, well, we're gonna be hitting a take profit on our long trade, which will cover the loss and some, honestly. Let's go. Do I 2x my trade portfolio every year because I'm always winning? I'm not always winning. All right, the last few trades I've taken here, 2 losses, 2 wins. 50% win rate so far for the week. And I mean, you know, the trick is you got to use good risk management, right? You take $1,000 loss, an $800 loss, $500 loss, but then you're making like, you know, thousands on your wins. That's what you got to do, right? It seems like I'm always winning because I trade with stop losses. So if I, interesting, we didn't take the high on all exchanges. Maybe I front ran that short a little bit, but we did take it on ByBit. We'll probably get another wick. Before a drop. I feel like we could definitely get a drop from around this area. We'll probably get another wick. What was I saying? The reason why you don't see me losing trades a lot is because I trade with stop losses. So if it's gonna be a loss, it's gonna be a loss. You're not gonna see it. This is gonna get stopped out right away. But the winners, they ride, you know? You like when Jay dresses up? Some thumbnails. Some thumbnails I dress up. You thought there's no stop loss? Only during the pump song is there no stop loss. Do I post all my entries in the Discord? No. Not all, but a lot. Alright. Not all, but a lot. Yeah, so it looks like we didn't take the high on other exchanges. We only took it on ByBit so far, so that's interesting. MEXC didn't take it. BingX didn't take it. BLOFIN didn't take it. So that's a little bit of a front run on my end right there. ByBit took it, but nobody else took it. Let's check out what's happening on order flow. Honestly, this is bullish CBD forming here. This is bullish CBD, objectively speaking, right here. We got shorts opening up, like me, and price is making higher lows. CBD is getting lower, open interest increase. This is bullish CBD. Actually, I think we could. I think my short's definitely going to get stopped out, guys. I think my short's definitely going to get stopped out, and I think we're going to pop up to this next level here at 75,603. Yeah, the only reason why I'm interested in a short here is because of the fact that we do have the bear divs here, money flow and momentum, and we just took a high. So I would not be surprised. Let's see if another exchange is going to take that high. Still, BLOFIN did not take the high yet. That's so interesting. BLOFIN didn't take the high. BLOFIN, as Andy from Bitcoin Census would say. What's the level you can go for short? I mean, if we get a short from here, the level I would look to hit a TP on would be coming back down to this low right here. All right, looks like we just crossed 75.5. Whoa, the treadmill's stopping. All right, so still, let's see, did MEXC take it yet? Did MEXC take it? No, even MEXC didn't take it yet. All right. Better get the treadmill back on, baby. And BLOFIN didn't take it. Let's go BLOFIN. All right, HFG's target is 76.2. Nice, man. That would be crazy. 76.2, right up here. Call this the HFG level. All right, so we finally took the high, guys. We finally took the high. All right. So this is the place where if we're going to get a pullback, it will happen. Now we've gotten all exchanges here, so let's see what's going to happen here. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame, because if this is going to result in anything serious, we need to change market structure by coming below this level right here. All right, we start to come below this level right here, then we need to get concerned. But until then, not really. All right, but we did take the highs on all exchanges now. I still got that short open. All right, still got the short open. So let's see. All right, so I'm implementing a partial stop loss in case we change market structure there. So I can lock in at least $8,000 for a win on this. And then I've got to take profit at 75.6, which will also lock in the same amount of money. Why are we shorting price discovery? It's a local trade setup, patience. So, you know, if you're not a scalper or a day trader, there's really no purpose to be doing this. But it's a valid setup because when you're trading a range like this, where you have a clearly defined low and a clearly defined high, a lot of times we don't break out the first time, we get a fake out. And so, you know, I'm looking at this for potentially coming back into the range for either a high or low, and then the breakout, or coming to take the lows and then the breakout. So for your average person that's not a trader, there's no reason to be trading this because it's a 4% zone. But if you're a day trader, that's a pretty big zone to be looking for a move. And because I'm already up in profits right now, you know, I've got one long trade open up $13,000. I've got another long trade open up $3,000, another long trade open up $10,000, right? So talking like 25K. Right now on my short trade, I'm risking a couple $100 to save my 25K, right? Let's see what happens here. Now again, I've got a partial stop loss at 74.937, which will lock in another $2,000 of profits here. So let's see what happens. Is it risky? It's not risky. In fact, in my opinion, it's more risky not to short. In my opinion, it's more risky to not short. And the reason why I say that is because there's only two options. Either we pump or we dump. If we pump, and my short gets stopped out, I'm still up net $25,000, right? Right now I'm up 26K. If my short gets stopped out, I'm still up 25K. If we dump, I'm losing money rapidly. If I'm not in a short trade, I'm losing money rapidly. If I am in a short trade, now I'm able to make money on the way down, right? So it's the way I trade, and I know it takes people a little while to understand the method, but I'm leaving gains on the table. Right? I could close the long trade now, but this is the way I prefer to trade because it helps my psychology stay on point. If I know I've already made 6K on this trade, no matter what, this trade right here has made $6,000. Like worst case scenario, this long trade, actually it's 8,000 because this will get hit, right? Worst case scenario, I made 8K on this trade. All right. I could consider that trade as good as over. And then, you know, if I'm in a short now, let's say we do come back down to the bottom of the range, right? I can take profit on my short here. Now my short's guaranteed to make me a couple grand, right? And my long's still open. So I could add to the long here, guaranteed 8 grand and then some. But let's say we don't bounce from here. Well, now my short's guaranteed to have made like 2 grand or whatever. So overall, I'm up 10 grand altogether. But I don't have to worry about chasing price. I don't have to worry about any of that stuff, right? So let's see what happens. This is so key what's happening right here, guys. This is so key because we are coming to backtest the support resistance flip. All right. So if we start to lose this, it's our first local sign of weakness. We got market Cipher B, the 12-minute bear div printing, money flow getting lower. The 6-minute, also the bear divs here, money flow getting lower. So look, I'm not saying that we're going to dump all the way down. All I'm saying is we just did what Bitcoin loves to do. We formed a high. We do a slow grind up. We take the high with bear divs. Now we can come back into the range a little bit. Maybe we bounce from the VWAP. Maybe we bounce right now from the golden pocket. Let's go ahead and do some analysis here. Yeah, so I'd say like the juiciest place right now to look for a long would be right around this area. That would be the juiciest place, right around that area. All right, if we get the move down, we might not. We might not, right? We might not. But I'm explaining to you guys why I'm doing what I'm doing. So, what's my leverage? Who cares? I don't even know. I honestly don't even know what my leverage is. For the short trade, it's actually 40x. Leverage to me doesn't matter because as long as my stop loss is in place, then that's all that counts for me. All right. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. We're either going to make 2 grand on a stop loss or 2 grand on a take profit. If we make 2 grand on a take profit, it will really be 1 grand because my short will be stopped out. All right, if we make 2 grand here, then that'll be good. Let's check out the order flow. Let's see what we've got going on here. Nothing to write home about, to be honest with you. Nothing to write home about. Let's see what she wants to do. Let's see what Bitcoin wants to do. What's the leverage in inches? LOL. Oh, yeah, we got to do a giveaway. All right, now's a great time to do a giveaway. Here's the rules for the giveaway. Here are the rules for the giveaway. I want you to spam the chat with your USDT address. All right, spam the chat with your United States Tether, United States dollar Tether address, USDT address. All right, spam the chat with your USDT address. All right, USDT address. What I will do is I will highlight and take a screenshot of a random name after we count down from 10. You got to post your address. All right. Who the heck is Fizzy? Hang on, I gotta make Fizzy not a mod. I don't know who you are, Fizzy. I'm sorry. How the heck did you get to be a mod? Who are these people? I'm gonna block you people. I don't know how the heck you got. I don't know who the heck you people are. All right. Let's put it on live chat. All right, here we go. Spam the chat with your Tether addresses. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh wait, it didn't do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait a second. I'm having issues taking screenshots, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. And our winner is... All right, shout out to our winner. All right, our winner is Ray. All right, Ray. Congratulations, bro. You are our winner. All right, Ray, I'm going to send you right now $1,500. I'm going to send you $1,500. $1,500 for Ray. Shout out to Ray. Congratulations, Ray. Congrats, bro. About to send you 1,500 US smackaronis. All right, Ray. Congrats, bro. You just won $1,500. Congratulations, man. That's a pretty nice win right there. All right, Bitcoin is holding the level. Bitcoin is holding the level so far. Shout out to Ray. Yep, I sent it over the Tether network, bro. Shout out to you, my man. All right, let's pull a fib local, high to low, to determine if we're going to pump or dump. If we come above the golden pocket 76, then we are pumping, and my short trade will be stopped out. All right. Pump, baby, man. Bitcoin pumping like crazy. Shout out to Ray. Shout out to HFG. We bounced from my stop loss. Yeah, I know. It's a good thing we didn't hit that stop loss before the bounce. I would have been so pissed. I put it a little bit lower than the actual support resistance flip for that reason. All right. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to HFG. He says we're going to our take profit, which is the HFG level. The HFG level. 76.2 is the HFG level. Wow, man, if we hit the HFG level today, that'd be crazy. We got 2 take profits set right there. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. All right, Chris, what's your name in the mail, bro? So I will check. I will check the email you sent. I just got to know what your name is. Just got to know what your name is in the mail, man. Mailman. Oh, you mailman. You mailman. Well, looks like we're pumping. Looks like the short trade is going to get wrecked. It was worth a shot, guys. Honestly, it was worth a shot. I mean, you see what happened. It was worth a shot in my book. That's worth the insurance policy in my book. In the Jason Casper book. Do we see anything bearish here? Well, I mean, the only reason why I took a short here is because, yeah, we took the highs and we had bear divs. So I figured if we're gonna dump, this is where it's gonna happen from. So now or never dump level, you know. I was looking for something like this to happen, but looks like that's not gonna happen. So that's all good in the hood, right? It's all good in the hood. I better turn my candles back to blue because I'm getting confused between which is BLOFIN and which is ByBit. There we go. That's much nicer, guys. That's much nicer. All right, I'm still in the short. By the way, it didn't get stopped out. It's still in open. Why didn't I take a little profit on the short? The reason why I didn't take profit on the short free will is because it was part of my trading plan to not take profit on the short. It's mostly as a protection against my longs. You know, I'm in multiple longs. It would be kind of dumb to take profit on the short so early. If we dump, then I'll be missing out. I'd rather hold the short, pay a small stop loss, stay open with my longs, and keep making money along the way up. Right? If we pump here, I will offset my stop loss and be in profit, net profit. $1,000. My stop loss is like $900. If we hit this, I will be making $2,000. So I'll be in net profit $1,100 with taking the short. I'm still making money. So if I took profit early on the short, and let's say I lock in like a quick $500 or whatever, then it's like, you know, is that really worth it? Then if we keep dumping, no, I'd rather dump with a bigger position size. For me, it's kind of like I'd rather either dump with a big position size or let it get stopped out. You know, I hope that makes sense. But it does look like we are going to Pump City, baby. We're going to Pump City, baby. When I do the giveaways, what network? Any network, whatever you want. Shout out to Thomas the Tank Engine. BLOFIN. Shout out to Andy from Bitcoin Census, honestly. Shout out to all my fellow YouTube traders. Bitcoin Census, Frankie Candles, Flopping Groper, Tino from Traders Reality, Sam Price from Crypto Lifer, Trader Geo, Tom Crown. It's hard to think when you're on the fly. Obviously, Crypto Face. Can't think of any more, but y'all know who you are. All right. Y'all know who you are. All right, there we go. We just hit the take profit. So we just made another $200. We're up right now. 8,000 on this. Obviously that short trade did get stopped out. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Now, of course, if we lose this level, we could take a dump now after that move, but you know, it is what it is. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out because I'm tired. All right, I love you guys. May God bless you all. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the stream. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. I don't know if I'll be live tomorrow, guys, but I'll do my best to at least make a video update. That being said, God bless you. I'll see you next time. Peace.